And digital transformation is a key challenge for Siemens as an organization, as we need to adopt digital processes and change our overall organization. I think a key question for executives to ask is whether they are able to measure their digitalization and whether they're able to measure digital transformation. If they're not sure whether they can answer this question with yes, I would advise them to assess the Celonis software. With more than 5,000 active users working with Celonis, I dare say that this is quite a large community which is working on digital transformation. And those people are empowered to use the right information, be on an aggregated level or on a detailed level, to take measures and to drive digital transformation. What we were able to accomplish with the software is a complete insight in our global complexity. And complexity means, for example, that we have more than 40 million customer ordered items per year, more than 50 million logistic deliveries per year, and this is a huge complexity in a global company like Siemens. So what we were able with this software is really to understand the process flows on all those processes and understand where are the critical passes, which are the topics which need to be improved, where do we need to digitize our processes. And not only to understand this, but also to assign it appropriately then to the responsible people, who, for example, could be a CFO who gets a digital fit KPI, or an operational people who understands exactly where he needs to take measures on single orders. Order to cash is a prime sample of a global standard process which we are monitoring with the Celonis software, but it only accounts to approximately 15% of our global users of process mining. And we have similar processes for purchase to pay, for logistics, for example, where we have also achieved similar benefits and improvements with this software. In addition to that, to those global processes, we also have certain local processes like manufacturing, PLM, a lot of many other processes, and also a very big community which is using process mining to create benefits for those particular domains. So overall, I believe that it is a software which is very significant for our digital